Hello everyone and welcome to Quiz Kingdom! Are you ready to play a new challenge with Froggy? Would you rather Mystery Gift Edition? I'm sure you're gonna love it! Froggy has 60 questions and you only have 7 seconds to answer. If you're ready, hit the subscribe button for more fun games like this and let's get started! Would you rather get a cute puppy or get a mystery gift? Wow, it's a pet rock! Would you rather get a Lamborghini or get a mystery gift? An Audi! Have unlimited food or whatever's in the mystery gift? Amazing! Unlimited drink! Rolex watch or the mystery gift? Oh no, this is $2! Do you prefer strawberry cupcakes or the mystery gift? Chocolate cupcakes! Would you rather get an iPhone 15 Pro or a mystery gift? It's a pity for you, an apple! Eat a slice of cake or get a mystery gift? It's a whole cake! Would you prefer to have a diamond ring or a mystery gift? Wow, treasure! Do you prefer a chocolate bar or a mystery gift? Gold bar! Would you rather get a Dior perfume or get a mystery gift? That's Chanel perfume! PlayStation 5 or what's in the mystery gift? Unlucky for you, it's an old PC! Would you prefer to drink hot chocolate or get a mystery gift? Yes, chocolate milkshake! Would you rather have unlimited money or get the mystery gift? Unlimited time! Very fantastic! Like this video or get the mystery gift. Comment what you want inside the mystery gift. Let Froggy know in the comment section below. Would you rather meet Lisa or get the mystery gift? Oh, meet Messi! Do you want to never eat a burger again or get the mystery gift? Never drink milk again! Do you prefer a Nintendo Switch or a mystery gift? It's a gaming room! Have many luxury bags or whatever's in the mystery gift. Amazing! Paris Fashion Week pass! Would you rather get Thor's hammer or what's in the mystery gift? Iron Man suit! Do you prefer a white horse or a mystery gift? It's a white pony! Would you prefer to drink apple juice or get a mystery gift? Oh no, there's nothing inside the box! Would you rather have a kitten or a mystery gift? This is Tiger! Cheetos or what's in the mystery gift? Lay's! Eat a cheeseburger or whatever's in the mystery gift. It's salad! Let's choose. No junk food or what's in the mystery gift. No social media! Would you rather own a restaurant or get a mystery gift? Wow! Own a hotel! Eat the world's largest gummy bear or the mystery gift. Never eat donuts again! Would you prefer to eat a tiramisu or what's in the mystery gift? Dropped ice cream! Unfortunate for you! Would you rather get pink AirPods or whatever's in the mystery gift? It's broken AirPods! Many fruits or what's in the mystery gift? Nice! Many candies! Live in a penthouse in New York City or get the mystery gift. This is a luxury villa in Hawaii! Be best friends with Salish Matter or what's in the mystery gift. Have dinner with Peyton Delu! Congratulations! A Pringles or the mystery gift? Oh no! World's hottest chip! Shopping at a Gucci store or the mystery gift? Yup, shopping at a Dior store! Dancing with Skibbity Dum Dum Yes Yes or get the mystery gift.
Skibbity dum 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 yes 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 yes.
Dancing with that one guy.
Skibbity dum 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 yes yes yes.
Would you prefer to go to the zoo or get a mystery gift? Go to Disneyland! Would you choose a diamond necklace or what's in the mystery gift? It's a bead necklace! Would you rather get a Barbie doll or a mystery gift? Annabelle doll! Coca-Cola or what's in the mystery gift? Yes, water! Do you prefer a yacht or a mystery gift? Oh my god, paper boat! Would you rather eat white chocolate or get the mystery gift? This is milk chocolate or store. Would you prefer to get a gold phone case or a mystery gift? Gold toilet paper. Own a McDonald's restaurant or get the mystery gift? Amazing! Own a Mr. Beast burger restaurant! Would you choose $5,000 or what's in the mystery gift? Congratulations! $100,000! Do you prefer gold or the mystery gift? It's Bitcoin! Would you rather get a backpack or a mystery gift? This is a plastic bag! Bouquet of red roses or what's in the mystery gift? Bouquet of white roses! Would you prefer to get these Roblox gift cards or the mystery gift? $10,000! Amazing! Would you rather eat cheese balls or get what's in the mystery gift? Chicken nuggets! Would you rather live in a tent or get the mystery gift? It's a tiny house! Do you prefer a swimming pool at home or get the mystery gift? Gym room at home! Would you rather own a bicycle or get a mystery gift? It's motorcycle! Ping pong table or whatever's in the mystery gift. Billiard table! Would you prefer to get a foot massager or a mystery gift? That's a massage chair! Would you rather live in a pink castle or get a mystery gift? Haunted house. Guitar or the mystery gift? Piano. Do you prefer an iPad or a mystery gift? It's a laptop. Would you rather eat Oreos or get a mystery gift? Cookies. Watch Kung Fu Panda 4 or whatever's in the mystery gift. Watch Deadpool 3. Would you prefer to get NBA game tickets or a mystery gift? UEFA Euro tickets. Thank you for watching the video, and now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kingdom for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next challenge.